Hey, chemistry. What you guys are going to be working on today is a lab that reviews balancing equation, which we talked about yesterday. It's a nice way to represent it visually for those of you who may be struggling to understand it, which is the numbers and more algebraically. So what you're going to do is you are going to open this link and it will take you to this website. Hit play. And then the instructions are right here. So start under the introduction section and under Tools tab, select the scale icon. Number 2 asks what are the different ways that it tells you when an equation is balanced. So when you get some balanced equations, look at the different ways that it lets you know. There are multiple, so please list 2 or more. Every time you get a balanced equation, there are 2 things you need to answer about it. The first is total number of molecules. Molecules are particles. They can be made of multiple atoms, which are represented as circle here. So for this equation, which isn't balanced yet, you have 2 molecules on the left and 1 on the right. You're also going to answer for each balanced equation a total number of atoms. So for this one right now, total number of atoms on the left is 4 because there's 4 circles, which are what represent atoms, and then, or on the left, and then on the right, there are 4 atoms also. So this is 4 and 4. It then asks you some questions about that, observations, what's the same for balanced equations, and are the number of atoms always equal to each other? For part 2, you're going to go to the Game tab. So along the bottom of the screen, find and open the tab that says Game. That's this one. And this is balancing equations. And I just ask you to play through level 1 and level 2. So balance the equations and check. If it's not correct, it can show UI and it'll give you the scale icons like we were using in the introduction section. You can try again, and at the end it'll give you a score out of 10. There are 5 questions in each level. You can play as many times as you want, so if you get a 2 out of 5 and you really want to go for that 5 out of 5, play again. Yeah, but even though it's 5 out of 5, the score is recorded out of 10. Each one is worth 2 points. So record your score for level 1 and level 2 on this document. It then asks you a few more questions. Some of them are multiple choice, and some of them are using some sentences. So please make sure that you answer those in complete sentences. If you have any questions, please send me an email, come to office hours, or at me on Teams. Bye, Chem.